What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again at ChatGPT and I'm gonna be teaching you how to cancel ChatGPT subscription, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So yes, of course, if you did not know earlier, ChatGPT has a subscription plans. So how can you cancel one if you don't want to use it no longer? So in the bottom left corner over here, as you can see, we are having upgrade plan option. But if you have a plan or if you have a subscription, it will just say my plan. When you click on it, as you can see, there are options. There is free, plus, and team. So if you want to cancel any of those, if you're using it, so in this pop-up, you can choose manage my plan option if you already have a subscription. So when you don't have a subscription, you don't have manage plan option. So it will say manage my subscription. I'm sorry, guys. So when you click on it, there will be a checkout page and you can just easily select cancel plan. So overall, quite an easy way. So let's repeat it. In the bottom left corner where it says my plan, click on this over here, and over here, if you're using plus, you're gonna have manage plan option. When you click on it, the checkout page will appear and you can just easily select cancel plan. So guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to cancel ChatGPT subscription. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.